Alright. Hello there. My name is Shalvik the Hedgehog. This is Megaton Rainfall. Do I really have to fucking do this? Yes, just be yourself. Okay, just play through. Just be yourself, really. I'm gonna kill you later for this. Yeah, I know. Should I do new game or new game hard? Choose whichever one you want, I don't care. I've already played the game. And your opinion? It's fun. Honestly. It's a good, like, second place on my list of things. I'll go new game hard. Okay. Round. The fuck?
Can you read this message, my offspring?
Of course I can read it. Although I don't need to, you just speak.
So, it means your transformation is complete.
What?
I know you're confused, and I'm sorry for that. Because you're not human anymore.
I don't think I was ever human. Jesus Christ. Are we gonna run home? Okay, we're picking up speed now. Oh, so I was in a one-hole. Is that what the fuck? Whoa. Okay, Jesus. Let's make
We have arrived, my offspring. But I fear the intruders know we're here.
Intruders?
They know who I am, but they still don't know what you are.
They'll never know what I
They
am.
don't know that you will be their executioner, and that you are indestructible in this world. However, you will need even more power to finish them. Please, fly through the Xenocube's core to increase your power.
What the hell? Okay. The fuck is what? Supersonic flight. I guess I can fly at the speed of sound.
Well done, my offspring. I now need you to show me you've mastered how to fly. Follow me.
I can already fly. Okay, I guess I just hold forward. Okay. Yeah, I know what to do. Shut up. Oh, out. Where'd you go? Wait, get back here. Gain altitude to accelerate. I don't know if that's necessary, but okay. Look, I'm already a natural at this. If I'm flying naturally, why the hell do I need to learn it again? Yes, I know how to accelerate. Shut up. Bloody hell. Okay, so this isn't exactly the speed of sound, but faster than it. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Stop saying use that and that. God. Can this thing give up already? Right into the middle of the ocean. Come on. Hey. I know this place. I was here just yesterday. Come on. I'm flying super fast. We get it. Oops. The Northern Lights. They're rare colors. At least in Australia they are. Because you don't bloody see them in Australia. Oh, no. Come back.
The technique is acceptable, Miles.
Acceptable.
Unfortunately, we have no more time for practice.
Seems like we had plenty.
Please, fly through the Xenocube again.
Why is it called a Xenocube? Why do I need it? Oh, I'm getting. What is this gonna be? He's like fucking. Am I gonna be able to fly to another star now? Megaton blast. Megatron?
You now have enough power to face the intruders.
Really?
Practice your new power. Shoot the red square.
That's a cube.
We have no more time for practice, Miles.
What?
Something terrible is about to happen.
What do you mean?
The intruders have managed to use a forbidden power to hide the existence of this world from me. And they are planning to destroy it.
Of course.
Do not allow this to happen. Find the intruders and then eliminate them.
I need Cody to death for that. That's one of his job, not mine.
Good luck, Miles Spring.
I don't think I'm gonna need luck, buddy. What the fuck? Okay, they're gone. M1. Mission 1. What the fuck am I even doing half the time? Oh, it's right here. Is there a city here? There's a city here. That was fairly easy. I just killed. Oh god. Whoops. I'm trying not to. What the hell are those things? Wait, I didn't say you could leave. Get back here. Oh. Oh, ow. Wait, get back here. Oh, just lobby. Hey. Oh, I don't have to shoot it right there, so just shoot them. You expect me to take on that? Oh. Yeah, I guess you're just a corruption. Nailed it. That was easy. Although honestly, I could just snap my fingers and they'd be gone. Get back here. No one said you could leave. The hell? Wait, get back here. I already destroyed one. No. Nailed that. No. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Wait. Why is it so hard? I'm gonna end up being the one destroyed. What the fuck? Did I fail? I failed. So far on your left, leave too much collateral damage and you last chip. You gotta be joking. I've tried different tactics. Different. Hey, you're not leaving. No one said you could. Come here. Nailed it. Okay. You don't have to do slow-mo for each one. Jesus Christ. Now get back here. I didn't say you could leave. I also didn't support that you could spawn. But fuck those people. Yeah, that shot, but still did something. What the hell are you doing? Can I stop time? That'd be really useful. Oops. Please. These ones suck. I nailed them. Those ones were annoying. The most annoying ones I bloody had to face. Alright, now what? Alright, where's the weak? It's on the inside? Get out of the way. Oh, I only need to destroy 3. Good. Don't you dare spawn. Don't you dare spawn down more of those. Get back here. What's going on? Hey, no. I did not make this. Ooh, bitch. Come on. Oi, get back here. There we go. Oh! Holy shit. Okay. Well, that's a broken pile of crap. What's that?
Is anybody out there? Is anybody
Am I gonna have to replace that music? Probably. What is that? Can I fly to it? Hello? Okay, that's annoying. What the hell is this? Plus 28 casualties. I don't care. 1 of 16 Xenophreak spheres? Bloody hell. Whoops. Rank C.
My offspring, come with me.
But if I don't want A or Alright, you telling me to come with you? No, but you're not telling me which way to bloody go? Are you joking? Well, fuck it. Fucking, I'll go this way. Go to B. B for bomb. It's gonna give me a bomb, isn't it? Gonna be a big blast thing. Come on. Either that, it's gonna be bloody bullshit. Where the hell? Hello?
All of this is my fault. So much death and destruction. I never imagined the intruders would steal the Xenospheres and would learn to use the power the spheres contain to travel to your world.
You really didn't think that?
Recover them one by one. Each time you do
Whoops.
so, I'll
Whoops.
grant you more power.
Oh, so I'm gonna have 16 powers by the end of this.
Take your next power.
What's my next power? Nom 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 nom. Give me. Nom. Power. Huh. I can now stop time.
Your new ability will give you more time to destroy all the intruders. Use it when they are numerous, or when they are about to harm the humans.
Yeah. That's gonna be bloody difficult to judge.
When you reclaim all the Xenospheres, my advent will come.
Your
And then
advent.
everyone will know who I am, and why your universe was created.
Everyone will
And
know.
you'll know how important your appearance in this universe is, and how vital it is
Huh.
that the intruders disappear. Until
Uh-huh.
that day, you'll have to live in ignorance. And I apologize for that.
You don't apologize for
It's
shit.
tragic that conscious beings have to live and die without knowing the purpose of their existence.
It's not that tragic.
Reclaim the Xenospheres.
Okay. Reclaim. Mission 2, I guess. Okay. Time for me to bloody fly into space. Alright. It's all around the other side of the planet. You know, it's likely that that was on the exact other side of the planet. Oh, hello. Who are you? Wait, get back here. Wait. Come here. Okay. Where's that? Wait, come here. How do I... What the fuck? Come here. Oh, that's it. Press U. Well, this isn't too difficult then. Wow. Oh, hello. Oh, come on. You just got here and now you're leaving? Fucking coward. No, you weren't leaving, you were going to another city. Come here. Wait. Can I destroy this thing? I can. There's one of them. That's highly unfair. What the hell? Oh, no. No, you're not too difficult. Come on. Come here. Where'd you go? Come here. Break. Stop working. Okay. Now what? The hell is that? Okay. That's unfair as hell. I can't see it anymore. Okay. Oh, come on. This is highly ridiculous. This gives the humans time to be literally popular before we destroy it again. Okay. Those ones I don't like. Oh look, another Xenofuel. Come on. Give me. Looks like an egg. Okay. That's gonna be a D. Called it. Bloody hell. Okay, now what?
My offspring, come with me.
Oh, I don't want. That's the only one, really? Alright, not giving me any choice now, gotta go for this one. What the fuck this is? It's Antipodean to the direct side I was on. For any of you who don't know what Antipodean is, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but it means the, well, on a global Antipodean is a country that's exactly on the exact other side of another, of the globe.
Their matter has properties beyond comprehension. Being unfathomable is the very purpose of their existence.
Okay.
The one who placed them in this universe wanted to show that they came from beyond it.
And
My offspring, take your next power.
okay, just give me power. That's really all I care about. Just give me the power, I'll get rid of them. Then you can piss off. Gigaton Blast. Oh no.
Use your new ability wisely, as it can do more harm than good to humans if used carelessly.
Okay.
I see the flow of thinking in your mind. It's like looking through a kaleidoscope. Because I always know what you're thinking.
You don't know what I'm thinking.
From here, I can see everything, and I know everything in your universe.
Yeah, likely.
But I can't see the universes that are above mine. And from my own thirst for knowledge, the reason for your existence arises.
And
More intruders are coming to Earth, my offspring.
okay. That was telling me basically nothing. Mission 3. Are they saying that Mission 2, I would have had to do that without time stop? That would have been bloody impossible. If I got the Gigatonic Blast, I then had to do that. Then again, I don't know how powerful the Gigatonic Blast is. Okay, this one it wasn't as far. Let's show up here. Hey! What's going on? Hello. That was easy. Oh god, there's a lot. Damn it. Where'd it go? Bitch. Now then. Oh, come here. Are you going to fly to another city? I think you are. That's far away. Come on. What the hell is going on? Come here, you little shit. What the hell? Flew right by it like a rocket. Boom. Oh, can I just use this on you? Can I Holy shit. Yes, I can. That one just was basically door corners. Yeah, not dealing with you. I can deal with you just fine. Okay, apparently it's come out. Oh, I already got it. Good point. I just need to get back. Easy done. Boom, motherfucker. Alright, where's the next one? Alright. Oh, is this you? Boom, done. What is that beeping? I don't care. What the? Oh, just a second. Not a second. Whoops. Okay. Johnny, kidding. Come on. I can't see. I'm disoriented. What's that one? Oh. I'm in the building. What the hell? I can't see. Where's the last one? Oh. Your skill. God damn it. Come on. How far back in the sight? Where'd it go? Don't tell me. Oh. Come on. Whoa. Can't see. Oh. I can't attack. Where? Come on. I'm on a whole nother level compared to these things. Come on. Come on. Come on, this city can't take much more. Over here. Where? Fuck! What the hell? I can't see. God damn it. Please be a fucking ball. I'm not then come on. Okay. Okay, that's it. Ugh. I hated that. Give me the Xenosphere. Okay. Now that I'm not actually in a mission, let's destroy
My offspring, come with me.
As I was saying, now that I'm not in a mission, I must destruct the fire talking. Well, I can destroy the wow. Huh. Try not to exterminate humans, but I should try not to, my ass. Alright. I guess I'm going to have to stop the video here. Oh, fuck off.
Come with me.
I'm going to play more of this at a later date. I don't care if it wasn't funny, I don't care if you were all like, what the fuck is this bullshit? I don't give a shit. Subscribe if you want, like if you want, I don't care. I'm just playing this and putting them up on YouTube because it makes him happy. And I don't fucking know. Goodbye.